Hey guys, I have just gone home from doing balloons at a birthday party and I really want to have a nap, but I can't have a nap. And that's okay, I've made peace with that. Because I need to make some balloons for a hen's night, which I was invited to, which is happening tonight. And I said I'd be happy to help in whatever way I can. And because of my talents with balloons, I'm making some balloons. Now, I've actually been provided with these kits from the person who is organising the night. I've never felt the desire to use a kit before like this because I'm really not certain about what kind of quality you're going to get from it. But I thought this would be a great opportunity to try it out because who doesn't love an opportunity for an all-in-one? Not sure how well that one's showing up, but that is a round balloon stand kit. And it looks like it takes a water weight in the base, so that'll be interesting. While I have done some work with it before, I've not used one that seems so flimsy, but we'll see how it goes. I'd be interested to see what the result is with it. So I'm going to fire up my balloon pump and we are going to get into making a round balloon stand kit and a balloon arch DIY. So this balloon pump here is my heavy duty one. I got it from my balloon supplier. I'll link it here for you. It does dual inflation and it can do the same sizing or it can do different sizings. What's really handy, the same power cord that charges my balloon twisting pump also can power my heavy duty balloon pump as well as my helium balloon inflator. So that's amazing. Should probably assess what I'm working with here. So it comes with a bag of balloons. Rather like how it's got the, what do you call that? Ziploc at the top. That's awesome. This is balloon glue. Definitely wasn't expecting balloon glue to come with it. We'll see how we go there. We've got the plastic strip. I'm kind of anti-plastic strip because we can get this done without that, and yeah, I'm not going to use it. I'll give that back to the person who gave me this bag, and if they ever want to do a garland of their own, they can have at it. Right, so we've got a pearl white kind of color. We have some clear confetti balloons. Let's hope they don't pop on me. Some black, and we have two different kind of tones of gold. So the intent here is to be able to do the balloon arch, but also to be able to put some balloons onto the round balloon frame kit. I'd probably be worried about making sure I've got enough balloons for this, so I will use what I have here to probably decorate this first, and then we'll go from there. Turn that off for a moment, it's a bit noisy. So in the round balloon stand kit, let's see. Does not come with instructions. I think we can figure it out without instructions. Wow, this is tough. Oh my god, it did it. Oh. Wow, that actually was a workout, which I was not prepared for. I feel like it shouldn't be making that rattle. I need this plastic out of here. I guess it can stay because I've got no idea how to get it out. Just going to quickly go fill this up with water. I am back and I've put lots of water in. You can hear the good stuff going on there. I've just got this clear tubing. So 3 pieces of clear tubing, 2 connector pieces. Let's do the thing. Ow! Youch! I'm okay. not very tall. I say it needs to at least be one more part taller, but we've only got 3. Well, I can't quite get this all in frame, but you know, you get the idea of it. And it just has a cluster of balloons covering the base, and we have some offset balloons on there. So I'm going to get to inflating the balloons for that. Oh, this is handy. That's interesting. The little confetti balloons have a little rubber band to prevent the contents escaping. That's clever. This one can get pretty noisy, so I'm going to make all the pretty music happen, and let's get into making this balloon arch. First impressions are these balloons are a little bit smelly and they feel a little bit soft. But they didn't pop, so that's amazing. These black ones actually feel a little bit better, so that's a nice surprise. Figure out how I want to attach these. I didn't, yeah, that's just come out of the base. Back in there. Hear a balloon going down, and I think I hate the base. Let that balloon do its thing. Whoa, this is not going great right now. My inexperience. So with this kind of base, I'm used to ones that are a lot more sturdier and don't move so much. I'm going to keep working on these balloons and I'll be back soon. So after making most of the balloon frame, this is the balloons I've got left to create the arch with. So for the balloons, when I did the frame, I just joined the nozzles together. It's not my favorite technique. I think prefer working on 260, so that's what I'm going to build these onto. They're just those white modeling balloons. I think that'll work a bit better, because that was driving me nuts. So basically I just tie a heap of 260s together. Give me that nice stretchy base to work with. Right. Got a few tied together there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to start with, and maybe 1 more. See, basically joining it in. And I'm just going to continue going, filling up or using all the balloons that I've got. Let's keep going. I don't want to hit that. It's not quite as tall as I am, but it's getting there. Gonna keep going. It's getting awfully chaotic in here. Not too many of the smaller 5-inch rounds, and this is what we're dealing with the 11-inch rounds. At the moment we've got about 1.5 meters that it's made, so let's see how big we can get this. Actually, I feel like that's really pretty. I really feel that's a nice quality balloon. Some of these are a bit questionable. The black balloons are actually probably the best. Some of these clears seem to be of varying qualities. The gold one's really soft. Can't say I'm a big fan. Normally I'd use these more as an accent piece, but I am really starting to run out of balloons, and we will try and add them in very specifically for the rest of the design. Be a bit more intentional with the placement, well, as much as I can be. It's really not that long, I feel, and perhaps partly down to using a different technique. But I even feel like using these plastic strips, yeah, I don't think it would be that great. Definitely, I've never used these. But yeah, I don't know what to say about that. The balloons that are left, and I think I'm just going to be filling in places with those, especially those smaller ones. Make some smaller clusters. So the smaller clusters like these ones, I'll probably add in while I'm on location, because That way I can just really see where the gaps are and where it needs to be. I do have some regrets about using the white 260. It might be a little bit too visible for my tastes, but oh well. It is what it is now. I need that balloon. Whoops. That one's going to be placed exactly where it needs to be on the design later. Hope you enjoyed seeing it come together. Let's see it next at the venue. Yes. So I'm back, it's a bit dark and I've got to get ready to actually go back to enjoy the party, but it is done. The person who was meant to help me set it up did not show up, which is a shame, but when I go back to the party, let's see how it looks, hopefully as good as it can be. So would I recommend it? Unfortunately, no. Not these particular kits. Yeah, I don't know. If you're a balloon professional, no, but if you're a hobbyist or a DIY person and you're just wanting to make balloons for your party, I say why not, because that kit gives you everything that you need. The price is a much better investment than buying all the balloons that would actually be needed. It certainly can make a nice but little garland, but the quality of the balloons is very questionable. I wasn't a big fan of the feel of the balloons. They made my hands feel pretty gross. But also the quality of the balloons were really varying. So the black pearls, they felt amazing, but some of those balloons were a lot softer. I was pretty impressed with the clear balloons with the confetti inside. I have used some ones of varying quality before, but I was fairly happy with that. Unfortunately, the balloons are going to get very cloudy unless they've got some kind of treatment in them, but that's a whole different matter. So I am going to go back to the hen's night and celebrate and have a drink or two, and yeah, if I get any extra footage I'll share that with you, but I probably won't. But that is it for this video, so thank you for helping me to put a positive twist in your life, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.